Welcome back to the Crypto Gorilla YouTube channel. Today is all about gaming NFTs. Before that, I have 3 giveaways going on my Twitter. I have my Ethereum giveaway when I reach 20,000 subscribers. I have a Soul Invaders giveaway, which ends tonight at 6 p.m. Eastern, and their sale is actually happening tonight as well. So if you like that project, I'm gonna leave a link in the description down below. And finally, I'm giving away 2 Guppy Gangs NFTs in the next 24 hours. So if you wanna win any of those, they're gonna be on my Twitter. Also, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything you hear in this video is just my opinion, and you should always do your own research before buying or selling anything. So the first project on our list of NFT games is sponsored, and that is Guppy Gangs. Now this is an NFT project that is meant to be used in a game that is called Untamed Isles. Now Untamed Isles is a monster hunting and taming turn-based MMORPG NFT game. This game will consist of catching monsters in the wild, leveling and evolving, breeding monsters to create new ones, home ownership, and battling with and against other players. So the way they built this is game first and crypto second. So you will not need to purchase crypto, you will not need to purchase an NFT, you will not need to create a MetaMask wallet. Instead, they're going to be using a system called Scroll. Now the items and monsters will still be NFTs, and they will be tradable on the Polygon network. However, they want to use their game to introduce the average person to crypto, to NFTs, so none of that is required to play this game. They did a Kickstarter a few months ago and they managed to raise $840,000, and they will now release an NFT collection that's going to benefit players who hold them. So here's a preview of what some of the NFTs are going to look like, and if we go to their website, we could see what the utility is going to be for holding these. So first, once a month, a special portal is going to open up, and you're going to be able to join the fair and play special games. Now in these games, you're going to be able to earn rewards in the form of rare and limited cosmetics and items that can either be used in the game or can be traded to other players on the Untamed marketplace. Now in order to play in the fair, you are going to need to earn tickets. Now while you can earn tickets in the game, holding one of these NFTs will get you a once a month airdrop of a ton more tickets than anybody else in the game. You can either use those tickets to play in the games, however, you can also just trade them on the open market. Some other things you can do are hang the portrait of your Guppy Gang NFT in your Untamed house in order to flex on other players. You'll receive AI morph tokens from collaborative projects, and you'll also get priority access to other NFTs that are going to be released by Fat Loot Studios. So if you take a look at their roadmap, they're going to be having their public launch on November 6th. Next, they're going to release the ticket scores, meaning you're going to find out how many tickets per month your NFT is going to earn you. They're going to do a Guppy morph token drop. Next, there will be the first Guppy Carnival, as well as the first ticket airdrop. After that, you'll get your first doodle, which is purely art, and it's going to be AI generated. And finally, they're going to have a season 2 where there's going to be a brand new portrait of a new monster with totally different benefits and utilities. Now, if you read their white paper, you'll also see that they're planning to do a liquidity pool. So on launch, there's going to be up to 15 different monster types in the game. However, these NFTs are not monsters. These are just portraits of monsters. So they wanted to make sure that they didn't make it pay to win, but they still wanted to reward their early supporters without messing up the competitive scene. So this is currently being developed by Fat Loot Studios. As you can see, the core team is fully doxed. I spoke to a couple of them. They are super cool guys. They're currently 30 and they're looking to expand their team. Now the game itself has been in development for 1 year, and it will officially launch within the next 3 months. So if you are interested in purchasing this project, it launches on November 6th. There will be 10,000 Guppy Gang NFTs, and they'll be going for 0.08 Ethereum. Next on our list is Missing Frontier / The Watch. There's multiple names for this project, and while there isn't that much info on the game, the art style is absolutely stunning. So the website alone, with no gameplay trailer, it makes me want to invest in this project. Now, from my understanding, it's a community-led PvP turn-based, I want to say turn-based, tactical role-playing game. And we do get an idea of the gameplay. So here we see auto attack. Your watcher automatically attacks the nearest enemy within range just by right-clicking your mouse. Next, they show us these special weapons. Use your flash blocks at any time and land them on your target. They have a short cooldown. Once again, just keyboard and mouse click. Finally, the glitch block. The glitch block is your ultimate weapon. Look at your target and annihilate it. So that's all we have for gameplay at the moment. However, what really gets me is just this art style. I truly love how this looks, and they're a very talented team, so it gets me really excited for this game. Now, there are currently 2 units available, and there are skins available for these units. They're all sold out. Those skins do sell for quite a lot. If we look here, the Lucky Watcher is going for 7 Ethereum, Fire Watcher 16 Ethereum, and the prices just get higher and higher from there. I actually purchased a couple of these Zero Genesis, and as you'll see on OpenSea, they are actually a little bit cheaper, although you do get crushed by the gas. But just scrolling through this page, the art for this project looks absolutely insane. So it really makes me want to invest. But I will admit, like, there's a ton of items. I have absolutely no idea what most of these things do. What I can tell you is that here the flash drive will store their data token, the Zero Genesis character. This is going to be a lifetime game pass. Now there will be more passes in the future. However, this is the only one that will be a lifetime pass. So when I saw that, I just wanted to purchase one. I actually ended up purchasing two just so I can later flip one. However, as I said, you do end up getting crushed by gas. There's also the Zero S edition, which is basically the same thing as the Zero edition, just has more benefits, I guess. There's the ISS, which is an in-game weapon. And then there is the black box. Now these will contain multiple things. It'll either have weapons, gear, traps, or hacks, and it'll also have a data key. Now that is a utility NFT, which gives you access to special drops, NFTs, and you'll be able to play the alpha version of the game. It'll also give you voting rights, and you'll be able to create proposals. So as I said, there's a ton more research that I have to do for this game. I have been trying to ask questions in their Discord, but there is a lot to unpack, especially with their items. However, the art speaks for itself, so I had no fear investing in this project. So if you want more information on this project, there is a ton in their FAQ on their website, one of which is the team size. They say there are 30 people and they're looking to hire an additional 30, as well as the launch date for their alpha version, which is going to be in early 2022. Next on the list is Space Misfits. So I'm super excited for Star Atlas, but that is many years away. So it's cool to see a spaceship, explorer, and shooter. So this is a play to earn game on the Engine blockchain. And you'll be able to do things like fight for resources, explore different galaxies, build your fleet, and play to earn by collecting their token, which is called bits. Now you will be able to exit your ship and explore different worlds, different planets with your companion, as well as fight against enemies. So this game is currently in its alpha stage. It's completely free to play. However, if you do want to either purchase some NFTs or if you want to support the project, you can head over to their website and they have a shop with a ton of ships, a ton of items, and you will be able to either pay with these in straight cash or with Ethereum. So if you want to play this game, it is currently in its alpha stage. So just head on over to the website, click download. You don't need to purchase any NFTs to play. So if you like this kind of game, give it a shot. It's available on PC. The final game on our list is called Cryowar, and it's going to be available on your mobile device at 120 frames per second. And they describe themselves as a real-time multiplayer PvP NFT game developed in Unreal Engine on the Solana network. Now they do have a trailer with some gameplay. Keep in mind that it is 2 months old, so I assume it got better since then. So the games will be 3 minutes or less, so they understand that you don't want to be playing a 30-minute round where you can't look away for your phone for a long period of time. And if we take a look at their white paper, some of the games that they will have are PvP Last Man Standing, Deathmatch, Top Score in 5 minutes, Battle Arena, 1v1 duels on player-owned land, co-op epic boss fights, and co-op survival mode. And we do get a glimpse at some of the different heroes in this game. There's going to be the Heavy, which is defensive and long range. There's going to be the Valkyrie, which is close combat. And there's going to be the Centurion, which is medium range as well as AoE. Now in the demo, we can see the 3 players. However, on the website, they do mention that there are going to be 8 unique characters. So this game will be free to play. It's going to be play to earn, so you can make money by playing this game. And their token is called the Cryowar token. Now you will be able to do things like staking, purchasing skin, land, and items. However, they do mention that it is not pay to win. So I assume the items will be cosmetic only, and they will not have an effect on the gameplay for this game because they do mention multiple times that it is skill-based. You can earn fees from the marketplace, profit from tournaments, and they also say they're going to be doing a token buyback, so their token will be deflationary. Now the core team is doxed, which is always nice to see. And if we take a look at their roadmap in the white paper, you can see that the game is scheduled to launch in Q1 of 2022. So I am really excited to try out Cryowar, so definitely keep it on your radar. So that's it for our gaming NFT video. There are a ton more games, so I'm going to try to do a part 2 next week. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow, and the more the channel grows, the more I can give away. Speaking of which, I currently have 3 giveaways. I have the 0.1 Ethereum giveaway when I reach 20,000 subscribers. I have the Soul Invaders giveaway, and I have 2 NFTs to give away for the Guppy Gang project, the first project that I spoke about today. If you want to win any of those, I'm going to put links in the description down below, and it'll lead you to my Twitter, where you could then follow the steps to win them. If you want to support my Patreon, if you want to join the Discord, if you want to buy crypto in Canada and earn free money when you make your first trade, links in the description down below. If you aren't already subscribed to my channel, would you kindly hit that subscribe button, smash that bell notification. Thank you for watching the Crypto Gorilla. Peace.